Hi, I'm Mariam, and here is a quick summary of what I accomplished during my internship at the office over the past month. I started by conducting minutes of meeting for stakeholder and project discussion, documenting decisions, action items, and follow-ups to keep everyone aligned. Next, I gathered and analyzed business and system requirements, collaborating directly with the stakeholders, end users, and project managers to make sure we captured what was really needed. I then identified, tracked, and resolved software bugs, working closely with the development team to keep issue resolution fast and system quality high. I also performed bug verification and regression testing to confirm fixes and maintain stability. And I helped translate business needs into clear functional requirements and user stories supporting the software development lifecycle from end to end. All of this was completed over the course of 1 month. Honestly, it's been a great experience. I really enjoyed the process and learned along the way.